All right, here we go. This is a brand new Caterpillar 420E backhoe, and we're going to do GPS in this. And there's a bunch of stuff. There's a diagnostic plug down there with a fuse panel, which we really don't want to go to. Not much around here, but using a magic tool, we can actually pry this out. This whole piece comes out. And we got all the space back here. And Caterpillar, notorious for what they do, they have a plug with yellow and orange. One is going to be hot, one's going to be ignition. So with our meter all set up and our probe going to the yellow wire, let's see what we got here. 11.8 volts off the yellow wire with the key on. The key off. 0. That's going to be our ignition, right? Then we'll go over here. We can check this red. Red is giving us 12.2, 12.13. So we know that's hot. After this, we just need to find a ground and we'll be in good shape. I usually don't like to do this, but I did find a ground right here going in the back of the cluster. You can see it's black in color. If I do a continuity test on it, as such. And I've also got a good ground over here. Let's do a continuity test. What do we got? Luke says we got a whopping 5 ohms. Let's turn the key on. What do we get? It's under 100 ohms. That's acceptable to me. It's not a CAN bus connection. It's just purely ground for that. We turn the key off. We go back to 19 and drop out. Back down to 5. So there we go. We're going to mount our box inside of here and strap it to one of these looms that are in here and keep it nice and solid. This is pretty much almost a watertight case in here, good enough to seal cat's wiring. So we'll leave our device inside. There you go. That's our Caterpillar 420E backhoe.